Well, all right, guys. So the giveaway we just had was a complete and utter failure. So if you didn't notice, there was only two people that got entered. It was Doug and Jen. And I think what ended up happening, what I found out finally, is that all the comments went to the spam folder, which I don't check that. So hundreds of comments, and I was like, oh my goodness. So we're redoing the giveaway. It wasn't even a question. And we think that the reason that Doug and Jen ended up getting in is because they're admins on my live stream, and I think that their comments were just fine. They were okayed without question. And so I messed up. I don't think it's a good idea to use a hashtag. Tell people to flood your comments with hashtags. It's probably going to get flagged. So we're going to be doing it a little bit differently. I have some new molds on the way, and I have to give Chad over at Turner's Warehouse a huge thank you. I contacted him, and I was fully just going to order some new ones. Wanted to see what he had in stock and kind of talk to him about it. And he literally wouldn't even let me help. Like split them with him. He's like, no, let's just send you some new ones. We'll get this thing going good, and it's no problem. And so a huge thank you to Chad and Turner's Warehouse. Again, this is why I support them. Chad's a stand-up guy. Everybody over there is great. Good service. So if you need pen kits, if you need resin casting supplies, head over to turnerswarehouse.com. Show them a little bit of love. They've been a big supporter of mine, and that's, we kind of do it. We both support each other like that, and it's awesome having friends like that. So thank you to Chad. So anyway, another thing that I want to do is give a big thank you to everybody that is watching right now, all the viewers. I don't think that I got one email or comment where people just flipped out and yelled at me and was like, I'm leaving, I hate you. People asked questions and then they just kind of kept coming in and stuff, but nobody was mean about it or anything like that. And I really appreciate you guys' continued support, and I want to make this right, basically. We're going to do another giveaway for sure. So when I was talking to Chad, what he has, so he already sent them up. There's a 4 blank and a 3 blank. So it's slightly different than the last giveaway, but same amount of slots in the molds and everything. So 2 molds and a mold rack. They're actually showing up to my house today. He already got them out to me on Friday. So we have the molds, and it's going to start, it's going to run the same as the last one. It's starting May 17th today. We're going to do it a little bit different, but it's going to run from May 17th, and the entry period is going to end May 22nd, Friday, May 22nd at noon. Then I'll pick a winner, get a video together, and we will announce the winner in next weekend's, next Sunday's video. So we're going to do things a little differently. I'm not even going to do a code word at this point. The reason that I do code words is so that if you wanted to leave a comment but didn't want to get entered, then you can still leave a comment and not get entered into the giveaway. You put a code word so that I know that, you can leave a comment, but I know that you want to be entered and actually want to win, the thing that I'm giving away. So unfortunately, this time what I'm going to do is it's just every comment. So 1 comment per person, 1 entry per person. If you put like 20 entries, I'm going to delete all of them. So just 1 comment down in the comment section if you want to get entered, if you want to win the mold set. If you don't want to get entered into the giveaway, just don't leave a comment. I think that's the easiest way to separate it. And I'm going to keep an eye on the spam folder this time throughout the week and up until the end right before I pick. I will make sure that if there are any valid entries, any good comments, if you leave a spammy comment, then you're not going to get entered anyway. But if they are valid, I'm going to make sure that they get put back in so that when I choose, it's a fair fight, I guess, or whatever between everybody. So anyway, again, a huge thank you to Turner's Warehouse. And I actually have one more thing that I need to say is I need to apologize to Jen. I hope that nobody thought that she had anything to do with this at all. And I ask you to please don't make comments, even if you think it's funny, you're joking. She had nothing to do with it. She got kind of caught up in it. I still think that there's nobody that should have won those molds more. So still congratulations to Jen. And I apologize for you being kind of dragged into this without, knowing or having anything to do with it. So just make sure that, we don't want anybody's feelings. We don't want someone to feel like they did something wrong, even though they had nothing to do with any of it. Again, a big thank you to Turner's Warehouse for helping to bail me out of this mess. Thank you to everybody that's watching and continuing to watch and support the show, even though we screwed up that last giveaway. It really was maddening because the whole point is it's supposed to be fun. Number one, it wasn't fun. It was maddening, basically, for everybody. It was frustrating, and it's supposed to be a way to give back to you guys, and it totally blew up in my face. So I apologize for the screw up. This one I think will run a little bit better. So good luck to everybody that enters the giveaway. So again, get your entries in. All you got to do is comment, one comment per person to get entered. And make sure that it's on YouTube. That's it. Don't put comments on Facebook or Instagram or email me or anything like that. It has to be on YouTube. That's the only place that I'm going to be picking from. So get your comment in. You'll get entered to win. There's, like I said, 2 molds. There's going to be a 3-slot mold, the Makers Select HDPE molds that we used in the graffiti pen blank video. I have some. I don't have the ones that Chad sent me, although they're actually being delivered today. So they're like these. There's a 3-slot and a 4-slot mold, and then a demold rack. So that's what's up for grabs. Get your comments in. The entry period will end Friday the 22nd at noon, 12 p.m. on in Pacific time. So good luck to everybody in the giveaway, and I will see you guys next Sunday to announce the winner.